What do you hear when things are quiet? In those moments when nothing is happening, for instance, the times just before you fall asleep, or just as you're waking up. I'm at the Kuala Lumpur International Airport. I'm waiting for my flight back to Brisbane. I came early, a bit too early maybe, so now I have a few hours of quiet time just to sit and reflect. I'll miss my family and friends I caught up with this past week. At the same time, I'm ready to see everyone at home again, especially my children. And in quiet times like this, there's a sound that I hear. It's a quiet, lingering presence. There's a Chinese concept called yin de. It means hidden virtue or inner virtue. It is the good that you do when no one is watching. It is the kindness that you show without expecting any credit for it. It is making the right choices. It is goodwill, karma, or grace accumulated over a lifetime. My virtues come in relationships to others. They're tied to the family I just spent time with and the friends that I'll see again. And it is tied to the children that's waiting at home for me. These connections, showing up for them, caring for them in ways big or small, this is what forms my yin de, my inner virtues. Every interaction, genuine presence adds to that accumulated virtue, and over time it creates something like music that is silent, something that resonates with peace. It is like sounds of chimes during meditation. I can hear it in moments when things are still. Now we live in a world of social media. It is made up of personal brands, public personas. I'm here, I post, I share, I put a lot of things that's inside of me out there. And I wonder, when I put my stuff out there, can you hear the sound of my inner virtues? Can you hear the peace? Because there's a paradox. When every action on social media is visible and very public, the intentions behind them remain hidden. When I engage online, am I genuinely trying to connect to others, to help others, to contribute something meaningful? Or am I performing for pride, for metrics, for likes? Two people can post exactly the same content. One will accumulate hidden virtues, and the other one just accumulates likes. The difference is invisible to everyone else, but it is not invisible to me. I'm the person I cannot fool, because no amount of carefully crafted posts can trick me if my intentions are genuine. I know. Deep down, I always know. The sound of inner virtues, I can't fake it to myself. So in these quiet moments at the airport, I'm listening for that sound, for what is true. Maybe you hear it too, in your quiet moments. That sound that tells you who you really are. Hear your inner virtues. Hear the true you.